Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to another simple tutorial video for Windows PC. And today I'm going to show you how to fix copy and paste problem on your Windows. If you're having copy and paste problem on your Windows PC, this is the video. So without any delay, let's start the video. First of all, go to your start option and go to settings here. And here, now go to system and scroll down a little bit. Here you can see the option clipboard. Select that option and scroll down a little bit. You can see clear clipboard data. Just select this clear option. And this is the first method to fix it. If this doesn't work, now the second method is go to your this PC option, this PC. And now go to your local disk C drive. And now go to Windows option and scroll down a little bit and search for System32 folder. This is the folder. Select it here. And on the search option, just type RDP clip CLIP and enter. And you can see this option. Then right click it here. Right click it here and select run as administrator. And then select yes. And this is the second method. If this doesn't work, there is another method you can fix it. Now go to search option and here type CDM and right click it here and select run as administrator and select yes again. And here on the command prompt type SFC space scanner SCANNOW and enter. And you can see beginning system scan. This process will take a few minutes sometimes. And after doing this, your copy and paste problem will be solved. And I hope this video helps you. And if this does helps you, please consider subscribing to my channel. And I will catch you guys on the next video.